This is another reverse, lads. This is when you go to a shop like that, they don't have a big space. This is how you have to reverse, just with your mirrors. You see, look at the gate. The gate is there, so I have to be near the gate because I'm going to use a big space. The lad is trying to help me. Oh, okay, he said wait. I will wait. So what you have to see here, this is the gate, so you have to be near the gate, so in the other side you have plenty of space to swing your cab. Otherwise, if you go in the middle, you won't have big space. Okay, so I am really near there, the gate. This is the gate. It seems really far away. He will help me. He will stop, the marshal will stop any, he will stop any traffic. But the reverse, it's all to do about your skill. Look, okay, so you start swinging there in the other side. That's it. I think there is cars parking. Yeah, so I cleared that junction, and then what you have to do, you have to start looking that side. Okay, so that side is clear. Let's see. So you have plenty of space the other side. You see, it looks near. We cleared the junction. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Ciao. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Ciao. So that's it. This is, look at that. So near there and near there. You have to be careful. See, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this reverse. Sometimes you reverse a mile because you put yourself in a very bad situation. So you have to take it easy with these trucks. I will park there and see where I am going. park here for a few minutes. Cheers lad, keep watching, thank you.